Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Trianzus Max, 2 Lives Gaming. Thank you so much for joining us again. I quickly want to make this video for Brian Valares. He asked a question about how do you sign a charter contract. Now Brian, this one is especially for you. So what we do is we'll go in here into our contracts, and then in the middle here, you'll see that the flight says it's regular, it's signed, if we signed it, and if you keep going down, sometimes you'll find a single charter flight there, like this one down here. See this one? This is a charter flight. So we're going to sign that charter flight somewhere immediately. Add that up with another EAM. I think I've got spot for another one. So Brian, I hope that this helps you, and that you'll be able to complete that mission that you're trying to complete. All right, so let me show you something. Well, obviously we are busy filling up the flight lines again, and I cannot overstate this. I have to make sure that my fuel depot is bigger, because I think you have to get on every few hours, especially when your airport starts getting very busy. You're going to have to get online quite a few times a day to make sure that your flights do actually get refueled. So just wanted to say that little piece there. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.